हेलो फ्रेंड, आप सबके सामने एक नया वीडियो बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 5 द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। अगर आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। इंट्रोडक्शन। द सेल इज द स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। इट इज़ द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. It is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Leeuwenhoek 1674 discovered the free living cells in pond water with the improved microscope. Robert Brown in 1831 discovered the nucleus in the cell. The cell theory. The theory that all the plants and animals are composed of cells and the cell is the basic unit of life was presented by two biologists, Sladen and Swan, in 1838-1839. The cell theory was further expanded by Virchow by suggesting that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Types of organisms. On the basis of number of cell organisms are two types. Unicellular organisms. These organisms are single celled which perform all the functions. Example: amoeba, paramecium, bacteria. Multicellular organisms. Many cells grouped together to perform different functions in the body and also form various body parts. Example: fungi, plants and animals. Shape and size of cells. Cells vary in shape and size. They may be oval, spherical, rectangular, spindle-shaped or totally irregular like the nerve cell. The shape and size of cells are related to the specific function they perform. Types of cells. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are cells in which true nucleus is absent. They are primitive and incomplete cells. Prokaryotics are always unicellular organisms. For example, Archaeobacteria, blue-green algae. Eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are the cells in which true nucleus is present. They are advanced and complete cells. Eukaryotics include all living organisms, both unicellular and multicellular organisms, except bacteria, blue-green algae. Structure of cell. Cell is generally composed of three basic components: cell wall and cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. अगला पेज देखते हैं। Plasma membrane or cell membrane. This is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the contents of the cell from its external environment. The plasma membrane allows or permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell. It also prevents movements of some other materials. The cell membrane is called selective permeable membrane. It is made of lipid and protein. The flexibility of the cell membrane also enables the cell to engulf in food and other material from external environment. This process is called endocytosis. Amoeba acquires its food through such processes. Diffusion. The spontaneous movement of a substance from a region of high concentration to the region of low concentration is called diffusion. Some substances like carbon dioxide or oxygen can move across the cell membrane by a process called diffusion. Cells also obtain nutrition from the environment. Osmosis. The movement of water molecules through selectively permeable along the concentration of gradient is called osmosis. Thus, osmosis is the process in which water moves from the region of higher concentration to one where its concentration is low through a semi-permeable membrane. Hypotonic solution. If the concentration of water outside the cell is higher than the concentration of water inside the cell gains water by the process of osmosis. Water can move into the cell from the cell membrane. In the case of hypotonic solution, more amount of water enters the cell which results in swelling of the cells. Isotonic solution. If the cells are put in environment which has similar concentration of water is present inside this state allows for the free movement of water across the membrane without changing concentration of solutes on either side. Therefore, the size of the cell does not vary in an isotonic solution because there is not net movement of water. Hypertonic solution. If these cells are kept in an environment which has lower concentration of water than what is present inside the cell, then due to the process of osmosis, water moves out of the cell. This result in a decrease in size of the cell. They shrinks as more amount of water comes out of the cell. अगला देखते हैं cell wall. The cell wall is the outer hard covering of the cell which maintains the shape of the cell. The cell wall is generally made up of cellulose. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is a process in which the contents of the cell that are away from the cell wall shrinks or contract. When a cell loses water due to the osmosis when it is kept in hypertonic solution. Can dead cell absorb water? No, dead cell cannot be absorb water through osmosis. How plants, fungi and bacteria can exist in hypotonic medium? Plants, fungi and bacteria exist in such situations because of their rigid cell membrane. Even if the cell swells up, the cell membrane is able to prevent them from bursting out. The nucleus. It is called the brain of the cell as it controls all the duties of the cell. Composition Composition of nucleus. Nucleus has double covering called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has pores which allows the transfer of material from inside the nucleus to the cytoplasm. The nucleus contains chromosomes which are visible as rod-shaped structures only when the cell is about to divide. Functions of chromosome. Chromosome contain information for inheritance of future from parents to next generation in the form of DNA deoxyribonucleic acid molecules. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. Functional segments of DNA are called genes. Chromatin material is visible as entirely most of the tree-like structure. Whenever the cell is about to divide, the chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes and performs cell division. Nucleus. It is called as the brain of the nucleus. It comprises 25% of the volume of the nucleus. It consists of proteins and ribonucleic acid RNA. It helps in formation of ribosomes which help in formation of protein inside the cell. What is a nucleode? Sometimes cells do not have well-defined nucleus. They lack of nuclear membrane. Such a nucleus with no definite nuclear boundaries is called a nucleode. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma membrane. It also contains many specialized cell organelles. Each of these organelles perform a specific function for the cell. देखते हैं Functions of cytoplasm. It helps in exchange of material between the cell organelles. It allows movement of substance in the cell as hormones. It dissolves cellular waste. The cell organelles. Inside the cell there are different parts performing different activities to keep the cell alive and functionable. The parts are called cell organelles. What is the significance of membrane-bound organelles in a cell? The cell performs several functions. The organelles are useful because they allow separation of different functions that are being performed by the cell. Organelles which carry out important activities in a cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. The structure of endoplasmic reticulum is quite similar to that of the plasma membrane. It is a network-like structure which consists of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes that are responsible for the manufacturing of proteins in the cell. They give a rough texture to the cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids important for cell functions. What are the functions of lipids and proteins? Proteins and lipids synthesis of endoplasmic reticulum are used for making cell membrane. The process is known as membrane biogenesis. Proteins act as an enzyme. Both protein and lipids can act as hormones. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Transportation of material between the different parts of the cytoplasm and also between the nucleus and cytoplasm. Folding of proteins which are synthesized by ribosome on rough endoplasmic reticulum. Detoxifying poisons and drugs out of the cell in the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus. Camillo Golgi discovered the Golgi apparatus. It contains vesicles that are arranged parallel in state. These stacks are called cisterns. The vesicles have their own membrane. These membranes are sometimes connected to those of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus carries material which is synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum to different parts of the cell. The material is stored packed in vesicles. Formation of complex sugar. Formation of lysosomes. They are single membrane vesicles which are responsible for cleaning the cell. They can digest any foreign material such as food or bacteria and even the worn out cell organelles. How lysosome can digest any foreign material that enters the cell? Lysosomes are capable of doing so because they have digestive enzymes in them. These enzymes break the material and digest them. These enzymes are synthesized by the ref endoplasmic reticulum and packaged into lysosomes by Golgi bodies. Lysosomes are also known as the side bags of cell. Mitochondria. It is a double membrane organelle which has its own DNA, and that is why often called semi-autonomous organelles. The cell requires energy in order to carry out several activities. This energy is generated by mitochondria, which are often called as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are site of cellular respiration. They use oxygen from air to oxidize the carbohydrates and thereby release energy. What are energy currency of a cell? The mitochondria generate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which are energy-giving molecules of the cell. The, the, they are रहेगा. They are often called as their energy currency. Mitochondria has two membrane covering. The outer membrane is porous while the inner membrane is deeply folded plastids. Just like mitochondria, it is also double membrane organelle which has its own DNA and ribosomes. Plastids are present only in plant cells. There are two types of plastids. Chromoplast, colored plastids containing a green pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis in plants. Chloroplasts contain orange and yellow pigments. Leucoplasts, white or colorless plastids. Leucoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oils, and proteins granules are stored. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. They are present in both plants and animals, but the plant's vacuoles are bigger in size than the animal vacuoles. The central vacuole of some plant cells may occupy 50-90% of the cell membrane. आगे देखते हैं. Plant cell vacuoles, animal cell vacuoles. Plant cell vacuoles store of the material that is required for the plants stay alive, such as water. Animal cell vacuoles contains food items in unicellular organisms. Plants vacuoles maintain the sterility and rigidity to the cell. Animals vacuoles can also expel water and waste out of the cell. Plant vacuoles are present in the entire center of the cell. Animal vacuoles are scattered throughout the cell. The single-cell organisms like amoeba, the food occurs contains the food items that the amoeba has consumed. Centrioles. The centriole is a small set of microtubes arranged in a specific way. Their main purpose is to help a cell in cell division. They are found in pairs and form a specific substance called centrosome, which appears near the nucleus. Ribosome. They are cell organelles responsible for the protein synthesis. Ribosomes can be found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes because the synthesis of proteins is important in both of them. Peroxisomes. Peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are small vesicles found in the cells. These enzymes are used to break two toxic materials inside the cell. They are responsible for digestion of alcohol in the human body. Hence, this liver contains a large number of peroxisomes. Last notes. Cell division. The process by which new cells are made is called cell division. There are two main types of cell division. Mitosis, the process of cell division by which most of the cell divide for growth, is called cell division. In this process, each cell called mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. The daughter cell have the same number of chromosomes as mother cells. Meiosis. Meiosis is the type of cell division that result in four daughter cells, each with the half of number of chromosomes of parent cells. Thank you, friend. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.